Hey, picked up this little shortwave FM radio antenna, clips on your antenna and improves the reception. We're going to try this out and see how it works. Hey, thanks for coming back. I'm Wayne. We picked up this XHDATA AN-80. It's FM shortwave antenna. And it clips onto your little antenna and it's supposed to give you better reception. There's the clip onto the antenna right there. No instructions. I guess you don't really need instructions on this. Now this has a long antenna in here. Look at that. Woo! You can wind it back up right here. Okay. Now there's a clip. If you wanted to clip it onto a windowsill or something, you just clip it on right there and that hangs down. Just like that. So that looks pretty good. Looks like this plugs into the antenna right here. This clips onto an antenna. I've got a radio here. We did a little video on how to use it. So you take this, clip it on here somewhere like this, just like that. Okay. Let's see what we got. Before we put that on, we're going to turn this little guy on to shortwave. There's shortwave 1. Plug the antenna in. Boy, it got better already, didn't it? Oh, it got better, didn't it? Woo. There it is. Without that little antenna. Well, you can extend this, but without that antenna connected to it, watch here. It got better. I don't understand Spanish, but that's shortwave, okay? I'm not going to turn on the FM because I'm afraid I'll get a copyright hit. I'll tell you what we'll do. If I get onto a station that is playing music, I'll have to move on, all right? Let's go to FM. What do you say? AM, FM. Or the parks open to the public. Hear that? No sound. The antenna to it? Yeah, a little bit better, but let's get down here in the 80s where most of the talking is.
Ozark Highlands Radio
right there.
is produced by Jeff Glover.
Nothing.
Additional support for this program comes from Arkansas State Parks, a division
Hey, does
of the
that work or
Arkansas
what?
Department of
Wow.
Parks, Heritage and Tourism.
Works
with
pretty
52
good.
unique regions of the natural state. On the web at arkansasstateparks.com.
See, there's just no reception right there, but if you connect this up to it.
1974. And by Stone Bank with roots in Mountain View,
Man,
Arkansas.
it does sound better,
Stone Bank
doesn't
is
it?
a proud supporter
Actually
of
works.
heritage musicians
Got that
in
off
small towns
Amazon. There'll be a
across
link in the
America.
description
Government
below to it, all
guaranteed
right?
loans for farmers, entrepreneurs, and communities. More information available at stonebank.com.
Trying to find another station that's talking. Tell you what, let's do. Spanish. Nothing. Connect that up. Look at there. I think it does pretty good, I'll have to say. So you can check out this radio. I did a video on it. Be under the playlist called Radios. This is the R37, all right? Turn this little guy back off. You can wind this up right here on the back. All right. Unplug this. Now I've got this on shortwave 2. I didn't pick up much on shortwave 2, 3, 4. So let's see what we can do here. Connect a little antenna up. Get some antenna out. There's something, all right. Well, I don't understand Spanish, but there's something there. So shortwave 3. Not picking up much on shortwave 3. How about 4? It's not picking up on the shortwave real good. There's shortwave 1. Guess you're going to have to know what frequencies people are transmitting on the shortwave, and I don't know much about that. So anyhow, you see how good this little guy is? When you're through, you just unclick it there. Wind up the antenna right here. See how it shows? All right. Disconnect this little guy. You can leave it connected there if you wanted to, I guess. I'm going to put it back in the box for now. If I get out somewhere and I need to pick up some stations, I know what antenna I'll use. Put this back in the box. If it worked on TV, I'd really use it, all right? Well, there it is. XHDATA AN-80. It's for FM and shortwave, all right? Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.